Today I'm going to be showing y'all a no-fill hat pattern. I use this pattern for most of my hats unless I'm doing like koofies. It works every time for whatever yarn, whatever stitch, whatever style. It can be used for a bucket hat. It can be used for a beanie. So for this hat, we are using Scrubology from Hobby Lobby. This is a great yarn for beginners because it doesn't split. We are using these safety pins that I also got from Hobby Lobby. As you can see with these safety pins, they don't have a spring on the end. So these are the type of safety pins that we need. And I just got a bunch of random beads, slide-on beads, regular beads, charms, all kind of stuff. You can use bows, flat back beads, whatever you want. And a 5.25 millimeter hook. We're going to begin with a slip knot. If you're just beginning, you're going to lay it flat like this and then cross it and then grab the tail. And then you're going to pull it up to a loop. And then chain 3. In the very first stitch, you're going to do 8 half double crochets. I love this yarn because it's easy to work with, but because of its thickness and its texture, it does require a little strength. You're going to join it at the top of this stitch, and then you're going to take the other string and pull the circle tight. And then you're going to chain 2, and then we're going to do 2 half double crochets in each stitch all the way around. And then you're going to join at the top of that first stitch. We're going to chain 2, and for this row we're going to do 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, and in the next stitch we're going to do 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and we're going to do that all the way around. So that was 1 half double crochet in one stitch, 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, and again all the way around. 1 half double crochet in one stitch, 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Join at the top of the first stitch, chain 2, and for this row we're going to do 1 half double in the first stitch, 1 half double in the next stitch, 2 half double in the next stitch. And if you could see, the stitches that you have to do 2 half double crochets in the same stitch have also 2 half double crochets, like you'll see it. So that's 1 half double, 1 half double, 2 half doubles. So we're doing like 1, 2, then 2 half doubles. 1, 2, 2 half doubles. And we're going to do that all the way around. Join at the top of the stitch. Then we're going to chain 2. And then we're going to do 1 half double in the first stitch, 2 half double, 3 half double, and then 2 half doubles in the same stitch. So now we're going 1, 2, 3, and then 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. And we're going to do that all the way around. So join at the top of this stitch, chain 2, and for this row we're going 1 half double, 2 half double, 3 half double, 4 half double, and then 2 half doubles in the same stitch. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 half doubles in the same stitch. And we're going to repeat that all the way around. Join, chain 2, and for this row we're going 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. So by now you should have seen like the pattern of this. And depending on how thick your yarn is, you're going to do either more or less rows. So for this specific yarn, I did up into 5 half double crochets and then 2 in the same stitch. But if I was using an acrylic yarn, I would do up to 6 half double crochets and then 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, if that makes any sense. The top of any hat measuring a standard woman's size should be between 7 and 7.5 inches. For a man, size up a row. Again, join at the top of the first stitch. And for this row, we are using the back loop only. Now, I don't do that for all of my hats, but for this one I do because the girls tend to wear them like sun hats. So using the back loop right here, we're going to half double crochet in each stitch going all the way around. 1 half double crochet in each stitch going around. Join at the top of the first stitch, chain 2, and using both loops, we're going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch going around. And we're going to repeat this for 4 more rows. So for a total of 6 rows, we're going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch going all the way around, join, chain 2. Once you have completed all 6 rows, your hat from top to bottom should measure 7 inches. This yarn usually runs out right here, so we're going to join it like this. Make sure you leave enough tail to crochet over because this yarn is thick. We don't want a bunch of ends to have to weave in at the end. So now to do the brim. So for the first row of the brim, we are only working in the front loop. That's right here. You see it's 2 loops. We are only working in the front loop right here. So I'm going to put these tails close to my project so that I can crochet over them. And then I'm going to chain 2. And then I'm going to do 1/2 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. And then I'm going to do 2 1/2 double crochets in the same stitch, just like we did at the top. So on the top, we left off at doing 1/2 double crochet in 5 stitches and then 2 1/2 double crochets in the same. So for the brim, we're going to start off doing 6. That's just like if you was working with acrylic. If you left off on row 6 at the top, you're going to start off the brim doing row 7. And we're going to do this all the way around. So that's 1/2 double crochet in 6 stitches and then 2 1/2 double crochets in the same stitch. Next row, you already know we're going to chain 2 and we're going to do 1/2 double crochet in the next 7 stitches and then 2 1/2 double crochets in the same stitch. And we're going to repeat this for the next 2 rows, so a total of 4 rows. Now, you can make your brim as big as you want, but the ideal size would be 4 rows. Next row, you know it's going to be 1/2 double crochet in 8 stitches and then 2 in the same stitch. Fourth row, 1/2 double crochet in the next 9 stitches, 2 in the same stitch, and so forth. Now we're going to join and fasten off. My scissors are so dull now. Then we're going to take a smaller crochet hook, put it through these loops, take that end and weave it through. Cut this end off, and then we're going to flip the hat inside out. We're going to take this string and thread it in as good as we can, and then cut that off. Then we're going to find our tail that we crocheted over, and we're going to cut that off as well. And that's it. Now we just decorate the hat. So I have my safety pins, I have my beads, I have my charms. I love these little picture frames. You can put whatever picture you want on there. I usually use this like website that make like locket photos, and it make the exact size photo for that picture frame. As you can see here, I'm just putting the safety pin on, and I take it all the way around so I can have that one bar to put all the beads on. And I just put safety pins all over this hat. And you can go as crazy as you want on this hat. Like, you can add more than just beads and charms if you want to. Bows, patches, flat back beads, anything. I love these hats. They're such a quick make. The girls love these hats. They request me to put their zodiac signs, their kids' names, memorial pictures in the frames. So yeah, it's a hit every time. If we were using acrylic, we would do 1/2 double crochet in 6 stitches and then 2 in the same stitch. Also, there's no need to do back loop only half double crochets. We're going to use both loops, and we're going to do 1/2 double crochet in each stitch going around. And we will repeat this for a total of 8 rows instead of the 6 that we did for the scrubber yarn, because as you can see, the scrubber yarn is a lot thicker than this worsted weight yarn. And this measurement is only if you're doing a bucket hat. As you can see, from top to bottom, it measures 7 inches. Now, if you're doing a beanie, I would do 12 or more rows. Now, say you wanted to do ruffles. You would join and then chain 3. And then do 3 double crochets in each stitch. So each one stitch gets 3 double crochets. And you're going to do this all the way around. I'm going to put on the screen how you do each type of ruffle. And that's pretty much it. I hope it was easy to follow. Thank you for watching.
Playing games, you switch like tables. Them shit turn around into arguments. Fix your lips, say you